Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're explaining how to use Shopify AR features to showcase product. Shopify's AR features lets you showcase your product in 3D so customers can view them in their real environment using a smartphone. To use AR, you will need to upload a 3D model of your product in a compatible format like GLB or USDZ. You can hire a 3D artist for or use a service like a Shopify expert or a third-party tools to create this model. Once you have the file, go to your Shopify admin. Then from there, click on the edit product and upload the 3D model under the media section, just like you would upload an image. Then Shopify will automatically enable the views in your space AR button for compatible device, allowing customers to view a life-size vision of your products through their phone camera. These features work best on mobile and support iOS and Android. You don't need any app or extra coding. So if your team supports media-rich content like the Done team, Shopify AR can increase engagement and reduce return because customers get a clearer ideas of the product scales and details before buying. And that's it.